Okay, when you have both pair of legs done, I like to take these stitch markers and I'm actually going to put it to the side, but then I'm going to count over and make sure I have 14 stitches marked off. This is the side that's going to attach to the other pair of legs, and you want to make sure you have the right number of stitches that you're attaching to. And then I'm going to double check on the other side that I have 22 stitches. And that will make sure that I didn't miss a stitch, that I'm good to go, and so that all my numbers come out right. So that one is good. And then I'm going to take these pair of legs. I've already marked off the 14 stitches. This is my second pair of legs that I'm going to attach to the first pair of legs. So I'm going to attach them with just a simple single crochet. You could also sew it if you prefer and then attach the yarn later, but this is for all you people who don't like to sew. You're gonna go through. Sorry, this is where I got out of the frame a little bit. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna go through one side and then the corresponding other side, and then you're going to just do a normal single crochet. So you want to make sure that when you go through both stitches, now you're just cinching it up. Okay, this is what it should look like once you get to the end. That's the bottom, and that seam in the middle isn't going to matter because it'll be stuffed. I'm going to put this stitch marker back just to help me keep track of where everything is, and I'm going to move this stitch marker over to here. So I want to have 22 on the outside. So that's what that's marking, and then I'm going to have 3 stitches in the middle there. So 22, 22, and then so if I can count that as I'm going, it helps me make sure that I'm not missing anything. And these middle stitches are a little bit weird because it's a little bit bumpy, but we only need 3 in there. Don't add any extra, obviously that'll throw off the count. So I'm going to do 1 and then 2. See, it's a little weird. And then 3. Then I'm going to take this stitch marker out and I'm going to crochet there. I'm going to put it back just for reference in case I need to go back and count. So that's 1. And then I'm going to count to 22 as I go around here. Okay, so now I'm going to single crochet 3 in that in-between space. 1, 2, 3. And I'm actually going to go back and put this stitch marker in. Just, it's nice to have. And then we're going to start around this other side of the leg. And again, it'll be 22. Okay, so this is what it should look like. It should be a total of 50. And then, so this is where you're going to put your stitch marker, and then you would take the rest of them out. I like to do it as I'm going. I'm going to take them out for you now, but it's nice to count those in between numbers again. 3, 22, 3, 22. It's easier for me than counting to 50, but that's what it should look like.